So in music, there's what we call solfa notations. Now, our solfa notations are our do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Let me go back again. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Right? So you can actually use number systems, right? Which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you end with your 1 or 8, right? Your 1 and 8. Now it's still the same thing, right? It's just that I'm taking the other one up and the other one is down. 1, 1, 1, 1. So the one up there, you can call it 8. So 1, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? So do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Right? So now your do, so do, re, mi, fa, your do, your fa, and your sol, they are called your major. Right? They are called your major. Your do, fa, sol, they are called your majors. So they are called your major notes or chord. Now, what is a chord? The chord is a combination of more than 2 or more notes, right? So let me just go back. So do, fa, sol, they are called your major. Then re, mi, la, they are called your minors. Re, mi, la, they are called your minors. Minus note or chord. Do, fa, sol, major. Re, mi, la, minor. So your 1, which is your do, your 4, which is your fa, your sol, which is your 5, right, is your major. So 1, 4, 5, your major. Then re, mi, la, which is 2, 3, 6. 2, 3, 6, right? I'm just using number systems. 2, 3, 6, which is your minor. Then the last one is called a T, right? That's do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. That T is called a diminished note, right? So diminished have a good relationship with the minor, but it's not a minor. You can actually use that as a minor too, but it's not a minor. That's why it's different. So do, fa, sol, major, re, mi, la, minor, and your T is called diminished. So the solfa notations in general is do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, and you end it with your do,